Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brickstech and Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services, empowering you to get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. So now that we have that data, there's a few different things that we can do with it. I'm going to go down to my markups list. You can see here I've got my different measurements. I've got all my tools properly named in the subject so I can see what's what, my total quantities for silt fence and so on. The legend is intended to be live, so if I do more markups, it will update right on the sheet. Otherwise, we can go into the summary here and do a PDF summary. So depending on what your deliverable is to this customer for your bid, we can go through the columns, figure out which columns we want to turn on down here, sort and filter those, put the output. I like to append and hyperlink to the current PDF. That will attach our report to the drawing. And then I'm going to send it to my letterhead as well. And maybe I'll switch the thumbnail to be a medium size so it's not too big. I can save these configurations for the export, and I'm going to go and click OK. And it is going to start processing and going through and creating our report. This one might take a little bit of time, so because we have so many items in here. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel this, and I'm going to show you one that I've already done that is complete. So here's a new one I've got open with the report that ran, and you can see that page 1 is our drawing, the overall scale with the legend and all of our markups, and then after that we've got individual pages with our markups. So it gives us a preview of each one of those markups and some data, whatever we want to include in those. So you can see where I've added all of these different markups. You can click on different pages. And what's nice about the PDF report, when I did that append, hyperlink and append, I'm able to click on this preview and it will jump me directly to where that markup is on my drawing. So nice deliverable there to be able to show our quantities and where they're located. Again, you've got a little preview of that area. You can click on it and it'll bring you to that spot in your drawing. One of the other options in here to create a summary is the CSV, so we can export this to an Excel document. That's what we have for you today. I wanted to thank Vince for taking the time to help present this month and showcase the brilliant work he's doing in the Bluebeam community. If you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company or yourself, don't hesitate to reach out to the team at Brighter Graphics.